the shit, the hell of the shit. I know, y'all can't talk this shit. For real. Don't try to be hero, man, I'm doing that shit. So, it's better than that you know.